Get the creative edge on heavy-duty projects with the Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger. Tackle layers of heavy fabrics. Cut a smooth, clean edge, even on tough surfaces, with the extra strong and incredibly sharp carbide blade. The Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger is built to last, with a heavy-duty metal frame, a remarkably durable metal thread stand, and a table designed to support heavier fabrics. It's easy to use, built for speed, and engineered for maximum flexibility. So you know it'll be ready to handle whatever you're ready to throw at it. Don't be afraid to flex a muscle on your next creative project with the Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger.
Hi guys, in this little short video, I'm gonna show you how this little sewing machine works. So before I start the video, I already did one side. So here is the white side and here is the other side. So I'm gonna do this side. This is still open, so you can see how this little thing works. So you can see right now, it's pretty good. Here it is. Here's this side, and now you can see it's closed. It's pretty good. It's really recommendable, this little sewing machine. Now, like this.